ba?
Saka diba, kung feeling mo may problema ka sa boyfriend mo or sa asawa mo, di kausapin mo na lang siya.
Bakit kailangan na yung ma-acting-acting mo?
Oo. Anyway, naku, sana naging mas malinaw ang dapat mong gawin para mag-ilusunan ng problema mo. Kat! Naku, ngayon naman, nanigigil ba ako? Hindi naman ano. Anyway, ngayon naman nasa na si Kid Kamaya para awitan ka with legendary video from his staff na si Grace and also with Someone Over.
Hey girl, don't you know I'm going on? Got an invitation, don't you keep it on I know if you get it well, you will, you won't. I wanna play that game with you, baby. Listen to me, all I want is you. Come over here, baby. All I want is you. You know you make me go crazy.